Hello and welcome back to my channel. Learn Igbo language with adaigbo. Ndewo, kedu ka ị mere? Eji m n'aka na ị dị mma. N'ụbọchị nke taa, anyị na-enebara anya n'ihe gbasara omenala. Omenala anyị bụ njirimara anyị. Omenala anyị bụ njirimara anyị. Omenala Igbo amaka. Igbo amaka. We love our language, we love our culture, we love our heritage. We are blacks, our God-given nature, and that's what makes us unique, lovely, and we cherish who we are. Dịka ị na-esoro anyị n'ihe mgbasa ozi a, onye nwe anyị gọzie gị. Today, we are going to look into our culture, our God-given culture. And one of it is the Ofala festival. I know you've heard of it. I know you must have attended one, but let's rub minds together as you watch this video. If today is the first time I've seen this, please subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you. Thank you. If you may follow, you follow. Like, share, comment. Ask questions. Let's rub minds together as regards to our culture. I love you. You are welcome to this channel. The Ofala festival is for the royals. It's being celebrated annually by the king, who is the custodian of the culture of a community. It is an annual event, cherished, celebrated by the people or by the subjects to the king, which is the community members. Men, women, youth, adults, young and old, everybody celebrates Ofala festival with the king. It's a time to pay homage to the king. People from the neighboring communities come. They follow igwes or the kings from other communities come to pay homage. Friends and well-wishers come to celebrate with the king. It's an annual event for the renewal of the kingship. We have the first Ofala festival, that's the time of the coronation, and the last Ofala, the death of the igwe. The igwe will do the last Ofala in absentia because then he's dead. Dịka akụkọ si kọọ ka anyị sụọ Igbo. Ofala festival was originated by the Onitsha people, Onitsha indigenous, because of where they migrate from. Maybe Hasibia from the Midwest. And since the inception, Igbos has been celebrating the Ofala festival. Every Igbo community that has a king, obodo ọbụla nwere igwe na-agba Ofala, igwe ọbụla na-agba Ofala. Omenala Igbo amaka. Igba Ofala bụ inwe aṅụrị na igwe ka na-adị ndụ na obodo ka nwere igwe. Ndị mmadụ abịa nwee aṅụrị wit igwe, igwe enwekwa aṅụrị n'onwe ya. A na-eji onyinye dị iche iche abịa, egwu dị iche iche, ogwe omenala dị iche iche. A na-egosi ihe omenala dị iche iche ndị Igbo nwegasị. Mmọnwụ na-agba, ndị egwu na-eti egwu omenala. Ndị mmadụ na-abịa si ebe dị iche iche abịa enwe aṅụrị nọnyere igwe na-ịgba Ofala. Igba Ofala bụ ihe a na-eme ụbọchị na-abụ. To start the Ofala festival is usually kicked off by 21 gunshot salutes to kick off the event. 21 gunshots bụ ịgba egbe dịka Igbo si asụ ya. Ịgba egbe mkpọ n'ala. Egbe nke a bụrụ AK-47 mba. O nwere ihe ndị Igbo na-akpọ mkpọ n'ala. That is egbe a boom 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 21 21. Ịma na mmemme emewego, egwu dị iche iche a na-akụ, omenala dị iche iche a na-eme. The king is the custodian of people's culture and heritage. And that is why the king celebrates the Ofala festival. It is a time for sober reflection. Let's also do our things together, celebrate our culture together, remind ourselves of who we are. During the evening time, the gong, that is igwe, will start, and people will start rejoicing, knowing that the Ofala has started. The various traditional rites will be performed at the Igwe's palace. Then the morning of it, the visitors will start coming. The men and women, the youth, they will start trooping into the palace to come to pay homage to the king. Abịa igwe onyinye dị iche iche. Na-enwe aṅụrị, igwe ga-esi nri dị iche iche, onye ọbụla ga-eri nri, nwa aṅụrị, gbaa egwu, mmọnwụ ga-agba, a na-enwe aṅụrị. Ndị igwe si obodo ndị ọzọ, friends igwe ndị ọyị ya, ga-abịakwa soro ya nwa aṅụrị maka ịgba Ofala. Ndị mmadụ ga-eyi akwa royal apparel, traditional royal apparels. Bịa, ọ bụrụ ejije a na-eje jiri akwa dị aṅaa, ị ga-akwado ọfụma because ndị na-eje n'obi eze. You're moving to the king's palace and you have to dress kingly. You have to dress royal to fit the event that is going on. Like I said, our culture is who we are. Omenala anyị bụ njirimara anyị. Yes, the whites have come, they brought civilization, they brought modernization, agreed. But we don't have to throw away our own. They celebrate theirs, they share their own, they do their own thing. So we have to maintain and value our culture. It is very, very important that we value our culture. And the Ofala festival is one of its kind. Celebrated by the royals, the king. Ebia n'obodo dị iche iche, so many villages, they have name. Ụfọdụ na-akpụ ya obi, ụfọdụ na-akpụ ya igwe, ụfọdụ na-akpụ ya eze. But generally, igwe, that's the king, which is the custodian of the people's culture. The village, that particular community, the king is the custodian of their culture. And people celebrate with him during the Ofala festival, showing appreciation that the way he leads them is good. The subjects are happy with the led, or the led are happy with the led, and they celebrate Ofala festival in a grand style. It is a thing of joy. It is a thing that everybody celebrates, and you're happy. And it is our culture. Yes, we have so many culture in Igbo language, in Igboland. The good, the bad, and the ugly. But we're not going to throw them away. That is who we are. That is what our ancestors has handed over to us. We have to carry on and maintain our culture. But we have to drop the bad ones. Dalo, thank you for listening to me. I know you enjoyed this video. I know you enjoyed this video. So just keep on following. Subscribe if you have not. I appreciate it. Thank you. Ask question in the comment section. Let's rub mind together as regards to our culture. Thank you for watching. Bye.